Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Now this is a video for graphic designer, but I think as a video editor, this video will be very important for you. You can use it to get jobs. You can use it to edit a flyer for a client and they pays for it. So it's just a way that I will teach you how to get any design of your choice, whether BD design, graphic design, any design, logo design, anything of your choice using just AI. So how can you do it? First of all, you have to have a reference image of what you want to create. Go over to Pinterest, then you look for any image you want. If you are creating a birthday flyer, look for birthday design. If you are creating a logo flyer, look for logo design. If you are creating a video editing flyer, short flyer, come over to Pinterest and get the reference flyer of your choice. So in this video, I'll be using this particular image for the reference. I've downloaded the image already. To download it, just click on the three icon here, click on it, then you click on download. So the image will now be downloaded. So the next thing is to head over to your ChatGPT, then upload the image. Now when you upload this particular image, when you upload it, now you now tell ChatGPT that you want to create a flyer for a particular brand. You will have the information of the brand standby. So it will tell the ChatGPT that you want to create a flyer using this image as reference. So that it should use these informations and create a flyer for you in this reference. So now I'll now type in what I want. I'll now tell ChatGPT. So I want to create a flyer using this particular image I sent you as reference. So I'll be sending in the details description of the flyer I want to create. So it's having error. So I think I'll just type it. I want to create, oh, it's having error. Let me just type it. So here is what I wrote. I now said I want to create a design of flyer for a brand, and I want to use this image as reference below in the brand description. So use the image below. I want to use this image as reference. Below is the brand description. So now I now uploaded the descriptions of the brand. So once you are done with this step, now click on send. Now ChatGPT will now give you a flyer that has the reference of this particular one you sent. So to create a video design, just upload the reference you want, then upload your own image, then you add in your description. So just that way you will get any design of your choice. And some people are using it to cash out. You can use it to get jobs and you deliver well and you get well paid for it. So it's writing another thing. Just click on edit and give it command. ChatGPT is all about command. Generate the image. So you have to give it command so that it will understand. So I'll now pause the video and play it once the image is done generated. So can you see, as you can see now, our flyer is now done. So look at the first one and look at the second one. The reason why we have too much write-ups inside here is because in our description all those write-ups are there. So the shorter write-ups you have, the neater your image will look. So if I had to remove the write-ups inside this particular description I paste, you'll notice that this second flyer is similar to the first one. So that is how to get any flyer of your choice, and you can deliver this particular flyer as a project you made and you will get well paid for it. So do you see how real it is? Nobody will notice that this is an AI generated flyer. So that is how to get any flyer of your choice. You can use it to get a bedded design flyer. Just upload the image of the person, then you upload the image of the flyer you want to use as reference. So you add in your prompt, the description you want to be on the design. So ChatGPT will now design everything for you. So if it does not look up to your test, you can re-edit it till you get what you want. So sorry, this is not supposed to be today's video. Our coach who was supposed to provide video had an issue with his phone. So after editing the video, his phone went off and there was no way he could power it. So the phone had issue. So that was the reason I have to pull up this particular video. It is supposed to be graphic design video, but I think that this video will really help most of us to maybe you can cash out through it 5k 10k. So next tomorrow I'm going to provide the video. So it is just to keep up to our timetable that today is supposed to be class, and this is what you'll be learning today. Thank you very much, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you.